Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chromecast guest mode from Google Home. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Make sure your Chromecast is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Tap on the device's icon at the top right corner of the app. Find your Chromecast device in the list. Tap on the three vertical dots next to your Chromecast's name. Select Guest Mode from the drop-down menu. In the Guest Mode settings, toggle the switch to turn it on. You will see a code that appears on your screen. Share this code with your guests when they want to connect. Once your guests are ready, they should open a Chromecast-enabled app on their devices. From the app, they should select the cast icon. Then, they need to choose your Chromecast from the list that appears. They will be prompted to enter the code you shared. After entering the code, they will be connected to your Chromecast in guest mode. Guests can now cast content to your TV without being on your home Wi-Fi network. To disable guest mode later, return to the Google Home app. Follow the same steps to navigate to the guest mode settings. Toggle the switch off to deactivate guest mode when you no longer need it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.